Hi and welcome back. So in this video we're simply going to write the app.py file that is going to execute the menu. So let's go to our app, delete all of this here, not import that, and say menu equals menu. We will have to import our menu, and remember that the menu does not take anything in the init method, so we don't have to give it anything. And then simply say menu.run menu. Now when we press play, we get asked to enter our author name. So I'm going to put my name in, and notice how it says welcome back Jose, because it already checks the database and realizes that I already exist in there. Then I can read some blogs, and then it prints out the blogs. These two blogs have the same title, which is unfortunate. I'm not sure which one I'm going to pick, but then we copy the ID and paste it in here, and then we get the post printed out. Then the program finishes, so we have to press play again. So that may not be ideal. And then if I enter Rolf, then it asks me to register. So I enter blog title. I'm going to say awesome blog and enter blog description. Just type something here. And then it asks me whether I want to read or write blogs. So in this case, I want to write. So I type capital W. And it asks me to enter the post title, my post, my content, and the post date, so 10/03/2014, and then it finishes. If we go back in and type Rolf, it says welcome back Rolf. So now we can read and we can type our own ID and see what happens. And then we've got my post, my content. So this is how that would work, and now there's obvious improvements that we can do to ensure that the menu runs over and over again until we press something that isn't read or write. We could do that, and that would be fairly simple. Or we could improve the way to select a blog. Instead of having to copy and paste the ID, we could do something different, like use a title or have a shorter ID. The date could be displayed a bit better, especially if there is no times. I'm not really interested if it was created at midnight. So there are a lot of improvements we can do, but the purpose of this section was not to be stopped by those things, and instead focus on the other things, which is creating a reasonably complex app which uses MongoDB, which uses datetime, which uses object-oriented programming, and to introduce static and class methods. So actually, I would recommend really trying to understand this section very well, because it introduces a lot of the concepts that we're going to be using throughout the course. So if you do have any questions, please go and ask in the Slack group, ask me directly, and I will be more than glad to help you explain it again, recommend more reading materials or things like that. So please do attempt that, and also attempt the challenges in the next couple of lectures. They will also be beneficial for your learning. Okay, so hopefully you enjoy this section, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. So I'll see you there.